Jason Booker from North Stonington, Connecticut. I've been gathering some good information here. Only been here for a couple hours. Everyone's been very friendly. Exterior hands-on training was very in-depth with detail. Yeah, they went over everything, covered more stuff than I even thought was on the exterior of a car. So not only cleaning it well, you know, good guidance and good teachers. All in all, it was very good. I enjoyed it. Interior was same analogy as of yesterday. Tight quarters. If you're 6'5", getting in there in the front seat, don't do it. Let the little guy get in the front. The back seat's better. It was good. Everything has been good. You know, as far as you know, even signing up, you know, talking to people before coming to the course. It's been very professional right off the rip, you know, starting in the first phone call to come to this seminar up until right now. Gentleman behind the camera, very nice kid.